Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add an overlay in CapCut browser. So here, I've already opened the CapCut.com on my browser, and here I already have my main video. And if you want to add the overlay or an overlay into the main video, you can actually just drag the video in here, or you can also just go to media, and here is like my overlay that I want to add to this video. You can just drag or click on the plus icon like this, but if you click on the plus icon, it will be placed in as in the main video. So if you want to, you can just drag it like this at the top of the main video, and I'm going to adjust it like this, and you can just click on the overlay and then go to blend, and here you can adjust the opacity so that the overlay will not cover the main video entirely. So here is the final result. So you can just adjust the overlay into your liking. You can go with to like to make it transparent. You can just lower the opacity, or you can also drag or swipe right to go with like this. So I'm going to just go with 60 like this. So that's basically how you can add an overlay in CapCut browser. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Thank you.